Welcome back, guys. The segmentation and binary images. Here we will focus on extracting the features and objects from images, and object is focus of our processing. It's the thing that we actually want to get to do further work. In order to get the object out of an image, we need to go through the process called this segmentation. That can be done through a variety of different ways, but the typical output is a binary image. A binary image is something that has values of zeros or ones. Essentially, a 1 indicates the piece of image that we want to use, and a 0 is everything else. Binary images are key component of many images processing algorithms. These are pure non-alias black and white images. So the result of extracting out only what you creating a binary image from source, you do a lot when it's image to use what's called the thresholding algorithms. So this is type of segmentation, and that's look the values of source image. If we see here, like the comparison against one central value to decide whether this single pixel or group of pixels should have values 0 or 1s. In top example on this side, we can see that the binary threshold applied looks at every pixel in the image on the left to see if the value is greater than or equal to 128. If it is, it's assigned the value of 1. Anything less than that assigned value, that would be 0. On the bottom example, the binary threshold is the base around value 64. Therefore, everything that has value 64 on the left hand image is assigned a 1. So this is very simple example of segmentation of the binary images. We will go more into the next practical steps about this segmentation and binary images, and also explore more advanced technologies. Thank you.